Today we are going to learn lesson 3.5 News Analysis of Standard 7th. We have heard about many phrases. They are used in our day to day life like breaking news, shocking news, etc. We get different kinds of news through media like internet, radio, magazine, newspapers, or watching TV, internet, etc. We can know bad news, good news, informative news, etc. In our today's lesson, we will go through different articles. Each article contains different questions. Based on them, we have to answer them. Closed shoes not allowed in examination hall. It is our first article. Bangalore. Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bangalore, has recently issued a list of do's and don'ts for candidates taking entrance test to the prestigious institute this year. The candidates will not be allowed to enter the examination hall wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks. Other items which will not be allowed inside include mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or blank papers, and even pens. The pens will be provided in the hall by the invigilator. Invigilator means a person who supervises students during exam. This article is related to the examination which is going to be conducted for the students. The news closed shoes not allowed in examination hall gives information about exam in an institute and other details. Now we will answer the question. First question, what is the meaning of issued, candidates and invigilators? Issued, published or officially gave out. Candidates, person giving the exam. Invigilator, a person who supervises students during exam. Question 2. Who is conducting the test? Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bangalore is conducting the test. Third, discuss the following in groups of 4 or 5. Why is closed footwear, shoes or socks not allowed in the examination hall? It is to be discussed by the students. It is not allowed as the examination hall to prevent the candidates from cheating in the hall. B is why has the institute not allowed electronic gadgets in the hall? Electronic gadgets such as mobile phones have not to be allowed in the hall as they may disturb others and may be a nuisance. Mobile phones, microphones, earplugs and calculators may also be used for cheating in the exam. C. What other measures can be taken to prevent copying? First, surprise visit by flying squads, checking the participants before they enter the exam room. Third, having different questions, paper sets for each candidates. Fourth question, why is this news published in newspaper? This news is published in newspaper so that anyone who is planning to appear the test can be aware of rules. Now, let's see the second article. Ritika takes a break from acting. Mumbai, September 9th. Famous actress Ritika, who is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood, is all set to break the hearts of her fans. In an informal chat with journalists, she revealed that she will not sign any more films after completing the big budget movie and next month. She refused to give any reason for her decision. However, sources close to her reveal that now she wants to make a career in politics. Ritika takes a break from acting. It is about entertainment which gives information about Bollywood stars present and future. Now we would attempt the question and answer them. First, guess the meaning of most highly paid revealed sign film. Most highly paid, one who gets the most amount of money. Revealed means disclose something that is secret. And sign film means sign a contract to act in a particular film. Question second. What words are used for the following in the news item? film industry. Film industry is Bollywood. And second, high budget. A big budget movie, that is something on which a lot of money is spent. That is high budget. Third, guess why Ant is a big budget movie. Ant is a big budget movie because the famous actress Ritika, who has starred in it, is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood. Her fees will be very high, raising the budget of the film. Reason for Ritika's decision. Answer: Ritika must be wanting to start her own production house or try her hands at directing films. Number 5. What will be Ritika's reaction to this news? Ritika will probably be thrilled with it, as now she will be the focus of people's interest for some time. It may help in the publicity of Ant 4. Now next, third article. Most dangerous time in history. The news most dangerous time in history is an alarming news in which we are told about the danger which we are going to face in coming future. Such news makes us alert about the dangerous situation in future. Now let's read the article. London, the famous physics professor Stephen Hawking has warned that mankind is facing the most dangerous time in its history today. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation, epidemic diseases. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live and have not yet developed the ability to escape it. Perhaps in a few hundred years from now, we will have built colonies amid the stars. But right now, we have only one planet and we need to work together to protect it. Hawking wrote recently in the Guardian newspaper. Now, we will read the question and answer them. Guess the meaning of mankind. Meaning is the human race. Second, which words or phrase in the news refer to the earth? The word and phrase that refer to the earth are the world, the planet. Third, which of the following problem do you believe is the most serious? The problem of overpopulation is the most serious one because it leads to other two problems. Number 4, discuss the following statements with the help of your teacher. A. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live. It means that we have developed in every field and we have technology to destroy the planet on which we live. Due to global warming, our planet is in danger. B. We will have built colonies amid the stars. It is related to the development in the space research. Due to it, there will be possibility of life on other planet. C. Right now, we have only one planet. This statement tells us that at present we have only one planet that supports life. We would get another planet which would support life, but till then we should preserve our earth. Number 5. Professor Hawking wrote about the problem in The Guardian. Why is it given as news in other papers? Professor Hawking wrote about the news in The Guardian. It is given as news in other papers to create awareness about the situation and need to take urgent steps to protect our planet from further degradation. Now, we'll see our last news article, Quick Cure for All Alignment. Staff reporter Khawate. Hundreds of people flock every hour to Railewadi, a tiny settlement near Ambegaon. They wait in long, winding queues in the hot sun to get a special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all sorts of diseases. According to him, he has developed this powder from a special herb in the Himalayas. Unwillingly to give the exact name and source of the herb, he only says that it was revealed to him. He offers it at ₹25 a packet. Each packet is specially blessed by him. Some of his followers claim that they have seen him curing thousands of people with his powder. However, Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon Civil Hospital says that the number of patients in their hospital has in fact increased in the last few weeks. Now we shall answer the questions given below. Number 1. Guess the meaning of flock and followers. Flock, to move or go together in a crowd. Follower, people who support or admire someone. Number 2. Why is there a question mark in the heading? There is a question mark in the heading as article leaves it on us to decide or find out truth about Miri Baba's powder. The question mark indicates that it is not certain whether the powder has the power to cure ailments. Number 3. Which part of the news is reliable? Which part may not be reliable? How do we learn that? The doctor's statement that the number of patients has increased is a reliable one, whereas the part where Miri Baba's followers claim that powder cures ailments is unreliable. This is so because the doctor may have authentic and written record of what they state. Miri Baba's followers say it out of blind faith, and there is no reliable source to verify their statement. Question 4. Will Miri Baba and his followers like the news? Miri Baba and his followers will obviously not like the news. Question number 5 and 6 are to be attempted by the students.